jet ski all loaded up. Put gas in the truck. We got a big cooler we're gonna fit maybe right here. I don't know if I'm gonna bring the gas tank because we're probably just gonna jet ski on Saturday. And this beast has a 15-gallon tank, so that'll last a long time. It doesn't really eat gas, so it's pretty good on gas. So probably gonna leave that here. Bring in all this, life jackets, chairs, push all that to the left so the cooler will fit right here. Then we'll be good. Basically, we got everything. It's just the big cooler. We gotta stop by the store, get some more food in the cooler. We got all the meats. We just need the little things like foil, paper plates, or everything like that. So let's go. Finished loading up. Wagon, cooler, Blackstone, life vest, sleeping bags. I think yours is in there. Yours is a bright orange one, right? All right. Waters, oil, propane. Got more propane in there. We're good. Snacks. We are ready to hit the road. Everything's packed, ready to go. Let's hit the ground running.
Nothing I've ever seen.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Hey vlog, I'm Jeff.
Thank you for coming back
Hi,
to my
Jeff.
channel.
Hi. I have a drug problem. Wait,
John, I don't even know what the car is.
No.
I don't even know.
Go.
I don't even have to know.
Jeff, go.
I'm gonna put it right on top.
Dude, show us.
I saw you. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna just take this top card. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the center.
Okay.
Shot. Don't touch it.
I'm gonna snap my fingers. You know what? Blow on it.
No, I don't want to.
I'll blow on it. Give me.
Blow on it. Okay, and watch. I'm just gonna take the top card again.
What was it? What was before?
And when I flip
I
it over,
know it was. Oh my god.
it's the same card.
One more time, please.
Oh my god.
First night. That was our tent where we slept. This is our area. Our hammock. And we are hungover. Making corned beef for breakfast on the Blackstone. Get this nice and hot. All right, heading out to the water. Let's go. All right, we're back on the water. Boat wrap was super chill. Basically have the lake to ourselves. We have a little spot in that little cove over there. Let's go.
Squad.
Cut it right here. There you go.
A little hiccup.
Because every time we pull out more, it's just getting longer and longer. Okay. Coil. Yeah. Cut here. Cut here. We go.
Vlog.
Okay. Just coil it through. Is that one side, Jeff, or you got the back side? We're getting
one side.
Yeah, this side's super welded. Or melded, not welded.
Hey, could have ate that much rope.
No, I don't think it's
Let's go, John.
Liquor.
Liquor talk.
It's good. It's good. This could be salvaged.
We got this, Jeff. Let's go! Jeff! Wait, just under here, just under here.
It's gotta turn on again.
We got a rope out.
Hey,
60 feet of rope.
So much dirt in here.
What happened is that
60
probably
feet
literally
of rope.
stopped the motor. It was so much stress and just stalled.
Yeah, that's what it did.
With the cut sandwich.
We getting fucked up tonight or what? The big 8!
That shaft will keep running.
Alright, what time is it?
Thoughts on making
2:03. Probably spent like 2 hours trying to get this,
Block water flow.
all that shit out. We're gonna try to start it, see if it works.
Never heard of
The moment of truth.
Don't run over ropes. Oh yeah, that's the first thing.
There's the key.
You have the fire extinguisher?
Yeah.
So
Think about all those
quite a bit of water in that battery. So
bottom, like that at the prop. And you
Right.
have to
Yeah.
you have to go under.
Let's
the
go,
boat
Jeff.
and cut it out. The wakeboarding boat? Yeah. Those
Moment of truth.
I'm gonna kick it right into
Find the
neutral
prop,
immediately.
Get a knife and dodge.
Oh, this is going right to Rigo.
I'm gonna kick it in neutral right when I hit it though.
No, don't.
Did it?
Oh my god.
Team! Woo!
I don't have any stress there.
Don't give me a fucking bottle.
It's alive. We're good.
Well, this one
Back to having fun. The person who fucked up the jet ski,
They have to check.
he was a spotter. He didn't do his job.
You didn't hold the rope right, and you drove right over it. So.
I say the spotter's fault. Drivers being aware of driving.
I should have went up. I was literally sitting here like, we were pointing at you guys, we were like, oh, they have no idea what they're doing.
I'm like, Jeff should be the one holding the rope.
I thought you guys would do it.
I thought I had it. I know that.
Made it back out in the water. We had that minor hiccup. Some rope got stuck in the intake, but we were able to get it out. Desi and I are on the GTI, cruising around. It's such a beautiful day with no one here. That's the boat ramp over there. I don't even see a boat in sight. Our buddies over there are ripping it up. Probably get some footage of them. But yeah, ski's running well. Just got it rebuilt and new top end, running perfect. So running good. Can't complain. A lot of fun. So after this, it's about 3 o'clock right now. Do our last couple laps on the water, then head back. Tonight is potluck, so we got some grilled steak with some special sauce on the Blackstone. So let's get to ripping.
Backflip, Destiny.
Backflip, right there.
Backflip.
Backflip.
I'm gonna do a backflop.
Okay,
Backflop.
well
Go.
try a backflip. You just gotta try it. Yeah, just jump.
Just job. Front flip. Hurry up! I'm running out of
Don't
time.
hit your legs against the back.
Got the ski back on the trailer. When I was going on my trailer, I noticed this was super loose, so I started tightening it. The bolt freaking broke. It's all rusted up. So I had to strap it down, and it's actually really sturdy. It was probably more sturdy than when it just had that one freaking, these 2 bolts holding this thing. All these straps are helping it. Successful day on the lake.
Yeah, this is the song. It's waste time. This song.